Hi guys, welcome to another video by Wheel. So this is again a how-to tutorial on Audis. So I'm gonna basically be showing you how to control the ambient lighting. So in the new Audi lineup, this car particularly being the A4 2019, we have a lot of ambient lighting. So we have it here on the door, we have it in the footwell, right? So it's a really nice cabin. Same for the back seats as well. So I'm just going to be showing you how to change the color of each the components. Yeah, so you first go to car here, right? So you come to individual. These are the drive selects, so these are just for the difference in performance. So this is individual, right? You come to individual and then you click on this button, which is the one on the left. So pertaining to these three like lines, hashes, whatever. So you go here, so you get another menu, go to vehicle settings. Here you can see exterior lighting, and that's just outside, and background lighting. So background lighting is basically what I was talking about. So like basically, again, I'm sorry about the mess. You just go to background lighting, and then you can have a lot of different lights. So like if this is white, I'll just put white right now. Yeah, so it changed to white, right? If I do blue, it'll go blue. Looks very nice. Red, so that's a red. This is individual. So firstly you can select your favorite color. So after you come to individual, you can click the right button. Yeah, once you click the right button, you have the level of footwell brightness. So this being 0, highest. Okay, surface lighting, so this brightness. So this goes, this brightness, one in the back, right? That's what that changes. Line, so this is the line. So like this is 0, this is full. And so now you can actually change the color of this lighting, the one here and the one here, which being the surface lighting and the line lighting. So that's the surface lighting. So if I just go green, have a look, looks beautiful. So that's how you control this. And if you want to change the line lighting, you can just go on this random color. So this being a bit of green. So that's how it works. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was helpful, just please like the video and comment down below. Let me know if you want such tutorials as well. So yeah, thank you.